Wine stopper. Does it really help wine last longer? Not everyone can finish a bottle of wine in one sitting. That's why it is crucial to ensure that your expensive wine's rich flavor does not go to waste. Since it is quite a hassle to place the cork back in the bottle, a wine stopper with varying sizes and shapes will do the work for you. A wine stopper is a vital wine accessory to preserve the quality of wine before refrigeration. When sealed with a wine stopper and refrigerated, an unfinished bottle of red wine can last for 3 to 5 days, giving you plenty of time to enjoy the remaining drink. The lifespan of different wines when using a wine stopper. To give you a clearer picture, let's discuss the lifespan of each type of wine with a stopper on. Red wines. Red wines with a wine stopper are still good to consume after 3 to 5 days. Aside from using a stopper, the unfinished wine bottle should also be stored in a cool, dark place. When it is placed in an area below 70 degrees Fahrenheit, it will turn rancid quickly. Sparkling wines. Sparkling wines such as champagne and prosecco lose their carbonation or fizz the moment you open them. Thus, it is ideal to use a wine stopper as quickly as possible and store them in the fridge. A sparkling wine with a stopper can last for up to 2 days. Light white wines. Light white wines, such as Pinot Grigio, Pinot Gris, and Sauvignon Blanc, start to lose their natural fresh and zesty taste on the first day of being opened. However, with a wine stopper, these wines can maintain their natural flavor and aroma for up to 5 to 7 days. Fortified wines. Because of the brandy addition during the fermentation process, fortified wines with a wine stopper can last for 28 days. Wow! I guess 28 days is enough to finish a bottle of wine. A wine stopper is an excellent tool to have around when you cannot finish a bottle of wine. With this device's simplicity and effectiveness, you don't have to worry about your wine losing its freshness ever again.